Hello, we're here again at FESPA 2013 and I'm really pleased today to be with Stephan Heintjens of Mutoh. Stephan, can you tell me what exactly you do, what your job title is at Mutoh?
Yes, Sophie, I'm Technical Marketing and Product Development Manager.
I see obviously the ValueJets chassis on your stand, housing a lot of printers, and it's very familiar to everybody that comes to FESPA, but it's very new underneath the cover, isn't it?
That's right. Indeed, from the outside they look the same or almost the same, although there are small cosmetic changes. But the fact is that, the one we're standing next to is the ValueJet 1638, and the tree stands basically for third generation, which means under the hood everything is new. New electronics, new motors and new heads.
One of the new points in this machine is the print heads you're using, this dual head technology. Could you just tell me a little bit about that?
Yes, sure. We use the new head in two types of machines, the single head ones, the double head ones. The double head ones have staggered heads, so that one is in front of the other. And the new thing about the heads is that we have access to a wider range of drop masses. The smallest being as small as 3 picoliter, going up to 35 picoliter. We can jet them faster, so the carriage of the machine is traveling faster, the fire frequency is higher, and with the big amount of drop sizes, we can of course play around with a lot of resolutions in combination with a lot of speeds.
Stephan, tell me about the inks that you're now using in the machines, because you've got quite a new technology that's being incorporated.
That's right, Sophie. We have a new ink which we are introducing, and the ink is called Universal Mild Solvent ink. We have added a combination of resins, so the responsibility for the behavior on the media is shifted somewhat from the solvent to the combination of resins which is inside. For the core stuff of what we are doing, solvent is still a great ink. You cannot always substitute it by water-based, because then you need a lot of energy, and also UV doesn't always do the trick, certainly not in these kind of low viscosity applications.
With these new inks, what's this going to bring to the customer? Where will they benefit?
The fact is it's linked to why we also brought the ink out for the installed base. They are first of all very easy to use, easier than the mild solvent inks we had in the past. So they are virtually odorless. Secondly, the thing is that you can easily use them in all kinds of environments. They come in liter bottles as well as in 440 milliliters, and they don't need any daily maintenance. Then on the media they do as well as the previous generation. They keep the behavior of the media and the aspects of the media. So if it's glossy, it will remain glossy. Good scratch resistance, and also better resistance to alcohol and alcohol-based cleaners. And last but not least, they give you 3 years outdoor durability.
So what you're really doing is making life a lot easier for your customers.
That's what we try to do indeed.
Yeah, that's great. Mutoh's name has always been strongly associated with textile. Can you tell me what the company's developments are at the moment?
Sure. As you can see on our booth, we have basically still 3 areas of interest. There is the sign and display for the solvents, and then for the water-based we have the direct textile, and also we have the digital sublimation and indoor. For the machine you saw, the same machine exists also in a water-based version, where we left out the heaters and we can do the same kind of speed performance. So we're focusing a little on both, meaning the solvent, but also the sublimation, which we extend in a machine to 2.5 meters.
You've recently won an award, and I believe you collected it while you've been here at FESPA 2013. Can you tell me a little about that?
That's correct. It was the EDP Awards. We were happy that we were runner-up 3 times. 1 time for a new innovative ink, which is the Universal Mild Solvent. And then with both our solvent machines, the 16 and the 2638, so the double heads. And we got the award for the 1.6 meter sublimation printer, the 1638W machine.
Brilliant, well done. Thank you very much indeed for spending some time with us. I'm Sophie Matthews-Paul of Output Television, and I'll see you next time.